Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will crochet this very easy and simple crochet tutorial. It's a pattern that you can use for any crochet projects. I'm making a scarf, so you can use these for cushions or scarves or your squares. So let's get started. So I'm going to chain 24, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Then we're going to make half double crochet. So I'm going to come right over here, see, chain 3. So as you can see, how it's going to look like from the front. And now I'm going to turn our work and yarn over and come here in our next stitch and insert a hook, make double crochet again, so you made, you can see we have 4 of them. We have 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then going to make chain of 2. So then yarn over, going to count 1, 2 over here, see, this is how it's going to look like. Then chain again 2, 1, 2, then going to leave this one, and come to the next one. Then again chain 2, 1, going to leave 1, 2 and insert in the second one, see, it's going to look like. Then I'm going to chain 2 again, 1, 2, yarn over, I'm going to count 1, 2 and next stitch, yarn over again, one, 2, come over here, 1, 1, 2 and 3, chain 2 again, 1, 2 and 3, chain 2 again, 1, 2 and 3, chain 2 again, then going to come 1, 2 and the last one over here, then chain 3, turn around that, then into yarn over and come right over here, this space, pull through, chain 2, come right over here, chain 2 again, come right here, 1, 2, yarn over again in this space here, so you can see. Then going to chain 2 again, 1, 2, yarn over, then we're going to come right here, yarn over, yarn over, come in here in this space here, yarn over, and this the last space, chain 2 again, right here in this space on top of this stitch, chain 2, then again in this on top of this stitch, chain 2 again, on top of this stitch, chain 2 again, on top of this stitch, over, yarn over, top of this stitch here, then chain 3 again. So as you can see, you can see how it looks like. It's the same one as this one. You can put this other way around. So we have a chain of 24, then we made half double crochet, then we made 1 stitch here, chain 2, again double crochet, chain 2, double crochet till here, then we made 4 double crochet, again chain 2, 1 double crochet, chain 2, 1 double crochet, chain 2, 1 double crochet, chain 2, 4 double crochet, and then chain 3, and we repeat the same process till the length that you want. So as you can see, we have the same stitch over here. As you can, this one and this one, it's the same one, if you can see properly. Okay, so this is how it's going to look like. So I hope you like my video and my crochet. So till then, next time, see you, bye bye.